All right, guys, so it's an important pro tip that you don't want your horse getting drugged through. So I wanted to keep him square and straight, but I didn't want him to lay into that bridle. As we started coming around here to the left, you saw him trying to gate and get in the bridle. So I just made sure whenever we were turning around that I started touching and releasing until we got on a loose rein. That's exactly what I'm looking for, because I would really like for him to be able to, on this loose rein like this, step around. Oh, to be able to do that without trying to go forward into that bridle. So we need forward, but it's a balancing act. We need him to think forward, but we want him to stay there stationary, and you can do that all right here, touching on those reins, touching and releasing.